Okay, students, chapter 3, money and credit. First thing which we discuss, that is barter system, when commodity to commodity exchange. For example, barter system, I am giving the example of barter system. Example A and B. A and B, it's not visible. Suppose A and B. A have mangoes and B have some other commodity just like grapes. And A and B both are ready to exchange goods. A to B, B to A. It is known as barter system. For example, in village side, still this system is existing right now also. I am taking one very simple example from village side. आप लोगों ने अभी भी देखा होगा गांवों में जो आइस की कैंडी बनती है और वो गांव में आती है, तो लोग क्या करते हैं, बच्चे अपने घर से एक कटोरा गेहूं का लेकर आते हैं, उसे देते हैं और वो आइस कैंडी उन्हें मिल जाती है. सिमिलरली द ट्रेडिशनल फूड्स जो गर्मी में आते हैं, जैसे आपने खाए होंगे खजूर, करोंदे, तो एक कटोरी देते हैं और वो कम्युनिटी को एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड द बार्टर सिस्टम इन सिंपल वे. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? Now, what happens if A and B both are not ready to exchange the commodity? It generates the problem. If A and B both are not ready to exchange the commodity, then what will happen? Now, they have to find out C or D, whosoever is ready to exchange their commodity. So it is the situation where A and B is not ready to exchange the commodity and they have to find out someone else from outside. That in that situation, it is called double coincidence of bonds. When two parties is not ready to exchange the goods and they have to find out third party or fourth party. First they have to exchange from them and again they have to exchange the good. So in that situation is called double coincidence of bonds. Is it clear? Okay. So at the beginning time, they exchange the goods through animals, grains, then precious metals, gold, silver. After that, money. Money is the medium of exchange. And it is easiest medium to exchange the things. If you want to purchase notebook, you can give 10 rupees notebook. If you want to purchase chips, 20 rupees. Cold drink, pizza, burger, because you belong to the generation of pizza, burger. We belong to the generation of orthodox food which you doesn't like. just like traditional. So, but the medium of exchange is same. Money is the medium of exchange. Whatever commodity, whatever service you want, you require money. So, money as the medium of exchange, the main medium of exchange is money. Now, advantage of money. With the money, you can remove all the coincidence of wants. Whatever you like, you can purchase from anywhere. Second, for grain, you require a big space at your home. For your agricultural product, again you required a big space, and again it is hard to store for a longer time. But money, less storage. Within a pocket, you can carry 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, and if you are carrying digital cards, you can carry 50 lakh, 1 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore. So less storage takes place, easier to carry. As I am saying that you just carry this in wallet, only the card carrying the space, smaller space, just the card, and you are having your amount. Then in your phone also, phone pay, Paytm, and Bean, several apps you can use. You can carry your amount in your pocket. Liquidity of currency is easier. Yes, very easy. You can pay the phone bills everywhere. You can be paying the bill with the help of phone. Nowadays, money, many instruments are available to physical carry the currency. Previously, we have to carry the currency in pockets. Nowadays, in a form of card, in a form of net banking. So these all are the advantage of money. The excess amount of money, currency, they deposited in the bank, and the bank activity, bank keep 15% deposit as cash for day-to-day work and use 85% for loan activity. Now 15% for day-to-day use, 85% for loan activity. Bank generate the amount in a form of, first they give less interest on saving and charge high interest on loan. For example, if we deposited the amount in bank less than 0.6% interest, we are getting. And if we are taking loan from bank charge 1.2%. So the difference between 0.6 and 1.2 is 0.6%. And that is the profit of bank. Through that, the banks run all the organizations. Is that clear to